Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you to all my viewers and subscribers for your time and for your support, and to all my friends and family who have shown so much love and support through your text messages and even sharing my channel on your social media platforms. It was really sweet of you and it keeps me motivated, so thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I alter a pair of denim jeans, and I don't mean just snipping off the ends to adjust the length, which I normally do when it doesn't require any other alterations in other areas. However, today I'll be altering a pair of mom fit jeans, which requires a few tweaks here and there besides doing the length adjustments. So let's get into it. So I've never really worn mom fit jeans before, so I don't know how they're supposed to fit me. But if you can see, the waist fits perfectly fine from the back and from the front. However, the lower portion just seems a bit off, even though it is meant to be loose fitting. So after doing a bit of research, I've decided to go above ankle length, take a few centimeters in on the thighs and proportionately taper it down. I will replicate the original hem and not use the original hem, and add a little bit of distressing on the thighs, because the original distressing is supposed to be above the knees if I were 5'8". So yeah, and I will be doing alteration from the inner leg portion because I will be using the lather stitch technique to keep the original finish on both the outer and the inner legs. So the first thing I do is try it on and mark exactly where I want the length to be, and I take the step nice and slow because once I cut it, there's no going back. I then draw a line along that final length marked portion and then take another 1 inch below this line to draw another line where I'll be cutting off the bottom portion. To make sure that everything is equal and symmetrical on both sides, I use a measuring tape and I cut off any excess even if it's just a few millimeters. So I'm using this original hem to mark the width of the new hem, and this will act as a reference point for the tapered line which I'm drawing at the back side of the denim jeans where the stitching is supposed to go. I then make sure that everything is symmetrical on both the sides. So taking the line as reference, I start sewing using the ladder stitch technique and sewing as close to the double seam as possible. So after doing this on both the sides, I get this clean finish. So for the hem, I'm using a bigger needle, and once I've secured this thickest portion of the hem, I just go ahead and do a straight stitch all along the hem, making sure that it is in a straight line. Using a seam ripper, I make parallel cuts at the bottom of the hem, and I just use tweezers to remove the vertical threads. And using sandpaper, I try to replicate the distressed hem look. And finally, for the last part, I repeat the distressing technique on the thigh portion. So I guess that's it for today, guys. If you do like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Yes, that's it for today, guys.